Hello guys and welcome to The Bro Thing, your favorite spot for all the pickup and dating related information. Now today I have something really special for you. I did a collaboration with one of my really good old friend Prakhar Gupta from Prakhar Ke Pravachan, and our opinions don't match much. However, we had a really good conversation about conversations, how to improve your conversation skills. So it's going to be really helpful for you, and apart from that, we have different opinions on topics, alright? But it's going to be a really interesting conversation for you. So make sure to check it out till the very end.
Cheers, bro.
Cheers, bro. Good to be here. This is a beautiful studio.
Yeah. After a long fucking time.
मेरे को रास्ता याद था. I was like, I still remember. कितनी कैसे भी वापस आया हूँ मैं यहाँ तक कभी भी. But I still remember. हाँ.
Alright, guys, so we're going to start, and today we have a very special guest over here, and it's Prakhar Ke Pravachan. And the funny thing is, I know this guy since a long fucking time. Even before, I think I started brothing, at that time.
I don't know if you had the bro thing back then.
No, I don't think so. I don't think so.
And way before I had even the idea of Prakhar Ke Pravachan.
True, that's
like
it.
वो तो 6 महीने पुरानी चीज है. I'm still Prakhar Gupta, just by the way, in case somebody is wondering. हाँ.
So, the first thing I want to tell them is, how do we know each other, man?
So you want to tell them first?
Yeah, definitely. So we met at the gym.
Huh.
The place, you won't even imagine that, both of us would meet.
Right.
Like most of the people would think that we met in a club somewhere or maybe in a pub or bar, just
Right.
like that. So we met at a gym, and that's the funny thing.
Right. We were connected to by a mutual friend.
And
And so I think this is how it went down. Tu mere paas aaya and Arnav's like, "Hey, I want to become bigger. Like I want to get more muscle on me. How did you do that?"
yeah.
I was like, "Bro, घर आ जा, घर आके तेरे को घर में बताऊंगा." So this guy drives over that night, that very night I think, and we end up speaking for 3 or 4 hours.
Yeah.
We just end up speaking there, and both of us are like, "हो क्या रहा है?" मतलब this is. I remember I was like, "Bro, my mind is equal to blown. This is new stuff." Like,
Same, bro. Like,
Right?
when I met you for the first time, I remember I was meeting a lot of people, who were way elder than me.
Right.
And you were the first guy who I met who was younger than me and who had intense knowledge, man, like about psychology. And even we used to do breakdowns at that time. So we used to call a lot of people to do some breakdowns, and that was fun too.
Right, that was I wouldn't say I have knowledge of psychology. Like I think I will die with this myth being around.
I think it was the passion, man. More
back then
passionate.
तो बिल्कुल भी zero because I'd never read no books on psychology.
Yeah, it was more about conversations and
हाँ, I had an instinct for it. I've always that's the reason why when we started going out and trying to meet women, I was good at it is because I've always had an instinct for people. And that is the reason I was good when I was talking to you for the first time too, because I've always had an instinct for people. I know what people think and how they behave. And it has always sort of been a natural kind of a thing for me.
that's there, man. And I remember, dude, when I met you for the first time, I was amazed because I remember the first month, we were going out together. I think that was the first time you were gaming.
The first time I was ever trying to actively even talk to women.
So that was the first time. And I remember the first time, this was the guy who I took out in the field, and amazing, man. Just in 1 month, he learned the most out of anyone. Like I've taught a lot of people. I think I did teach a few people back then as well. But you were the one who just excelled at it in 1 month. I remember I was teaching one other friend.
Huh.
I remember him. 2 years I was teaching him.
हाँ.
And you just fucking went on another level, man.
Bro,
in 1 month.
मेरे को याद है day 1 जब हम लोग भाई एक तो I wasn't even invited to that party. I don't know if you were invited to that
Which
party.
party, man?
This was in Central Delhi, cards party,
Oh
Diwali
no,
time.
I think we both were not invited. I called you, I guess.
हाँ.
And we
And
were
we
like,
went
just
to a
let's
party
make a plan.
uninvited, right?
Uninvited.
It's also to understand properly, back then I was a young kid. I was only figuring the world out. I had no idea. This is about 4 years ago now. And तो मेरे लिए it was also a class breaking moment
I
because
think
I
you
was
were 20, man, back then.
20. Yeah,
I was
20.
21.
हाँ, I was 20.
Fucking crazy.
तो bro, we were in a place. अब मैं कितना हूँ? अब I am 24, right? So I'm 20. हाँ, but we were in a place that had broken. This was a different class of people. ये लोग वो हैं जो दिल्ली के बीच में रहते हैं with all their riches and they're throwing like this huge ass. I was not meant to be there. मेरे को तो समझ नहीं आ रहा था. मैं तो भाई ढिल्लू रात को 11 बजे ड्राइव करके somehow I get there. I'm wearing my ugly kurta and whatnot, and I'm hanging out with all these rich ass people who have nothing but money to throw. That was a very defining moment for me as well. Incidentally, the 1 month that we hung out together was right before Diwali. So it was only
it was the same time. It was the same time.
This exact
Cheers.
time.
So this
Yes.
is Corona special, and that's why we have our Corona beers with us.
And हम लोग bro, we were only going to these rich ass Diwali parties. And where all dudes were busy playing cards.
And for me, it was actually the norm because, you know, I'd come and I was like, okay, I was just going in different parties, man, altogether. And it was just like, okay, another party to go to.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Bro, मैं क्या बताऊँ यार, like those parties, I remember somebody betting their car at one of those card parties.
Oh, did you see that?
Bro, और मतलब तेरे को याद है एक वो पार्टी थी जहाँ पे एक बंदा था सिगरेट पी रहा था, मैं उसकी सिगरेट उठा के चला गया था आगे.
वहाँ पे तो पिटाई जाती है.
हाँ भाई, उसी टेबल पे एक बंदा bet his bloody car. तो उस सिगरेट के लिए क्या रो रहा है? Somebody bet his car.
मुंह से निकाल के लेके जाएगा तो रोएगा नहीं. That was kind of rude, man. But it was his friend's party, so you should.
Yeah, like whoever you are. अब मेरे को याद नहीं.
Pretty fucked up.
पिटते सच में पिटते हाँ. That was a crazy time.
It was, man. And
that was a crazy
that
time.
1 month, you know, I saw him, and we were just going out every fucking night, almost 16 nights or 15 nights, somewhere around that, I guess.
हम two times or 3 times a week जा rहे थे.
Half a
I
week.
think I did 10 outings at the most.
Yeah.
That month there was 10 outings. उसके बाद around
10 outings with me, and then solo outings where you went to meet the other girls and.
For sure, bro. मैं फिर यहाँ से उड़ के वहाँ शिलोंग चला गया था ना. फिर शिलोंग was total solo for me. I was by myself. Recently learned this magical, beautiful thing.
Fuck, did you try that in Shillong? Or you must have.
Bro, oh my god, bro.
It's fucking addictive.
मैं तेरे को बता भी नहीं सकता. अरे यार उस time initially तो it's bloody addictive. No, initially it's like I have discovered a secret.
True.
Right? And so I was hanging out Shillong में. और मैं अकेला हूँ. ठीक है. अच्छा मैं एक तो I was huge back then in terms of my muscle mass.
That's why I came to you, man. Tell me, जो protein shake कौन सा पी रहा है? Let me know.
हाँ. So I was like huge, and I'm this tall ass guy. वहाँ Shillong में where everybody is usually shorter in height and leaner, so I'd stand out. So people would come up to me and talk to me. I recently learned how to do this. Now people are coming up to me and talking to me. Confidence out of the roof. दिमाग फटा हुआ है.
And you were at a festival.
हाँ, I was at a music festival.
Fuck man.
NH7. तू सोच दिमाग ही खराब हुआ है ना. अब तो मैं जहाँ जो कर रहा हूँ. Bro पता है मैं कैंप्स में रह रहा था वहाँ शिलोंग में. ठीक है. I think I've never told you this. वो कैंप पे ना there must have been 150 people. They finished about 300 bottles of whiskey over 2 or 3 days. At that camp.
How many bottles of whiskey?
300 bottles of like so like think about that in 3 days.
Oh, fucked up people all the time.
Bro मैं रात को भाई कोई मणिपुर से आया हुआ है क्या कर रहा है शराब पी के आर्चरी कर रहा है भाई रात को तीर निकाल लिए ठीक है अलग ही फ्लिप गाने गा रहे हैं लोग बहुत ही chill
I want to go there now.
And bro because I was by myself people were so welcoming also because I recently learned how to interact with
So you were by yourself.
Absolutely.
It was a solo trip.
Absolutely solo.
I thought you went with your friends from.
My friends were also there but we weren't staying together we weren't hanging together.
Why did you decide on that solo trip? Because of the.
मैं तो हमेशा से solo trip
best.
I've always been that guy
best,
where
best.
I know people are not going to do what I want to do, so
I
why
know,
care
I know,
about
I know.
it?
True.
तो भाई लोग तू दिल्ली से है तेरे लिए एक बोतल मेरे को दे दी फ्री में मेरे को अच्छा ठीक है तू दिल्ली से है इधर आ तू हमारे साथ पिएगा
पिकअप में भी काफी इसका काम आया होगा पिकअप not only pickup but the aspect of conversations I would say
not just or bro just vibing मतलब
vibing exactly
क्योंकि vibing is not intuitive when you say भाई vibe कर ढंग से that's not an intuitive idea किसी को नहीं पता vibe कैसे करते हैं सबको नहीं पता होता
तो make the other people feel good about themselves not only feel good about themselves just have a good aura around you as well
right and even when you बोलेगा ना good aura make other people feel good
वो भी थोड़े
it's not
generic हो गया
उसके लिए क्या चाहिए तेरे को कि तू
voice
अंदर good feel
tonality speech conversation
हाँ
all of that you know
even before that you need to feel good within yourself
exactly true
once you feel good with yourself हाँ once I feel good with myself whatever you say I don't need shit from me ना
no validation required
मैं यहाँ पे इसलिए थोड़ी आया हूँ कि मेरे को कुछ अर्नव देगा मैं तो चिल करने आया हूँ तो मैं तेरे को चिल ऑफर करूंगा तू बोलेगा यार इसके बाद तो हैंग आउट करके मजा आता है तो तू मेरे को और चिल ऑफर करेगा अब हम दोनों उस माइंडसेट से एस्केप कर गए हैं जहाँ पे हम एक दूसरे को ट्रस्ट नहीं कर सकते
plus you need something out of the other person the leechy behavior
you're just hanging
and a lot of people I've seen learning game have this behavior and even I did man when I started out right when I started out there was this leechy vibe and it's because of wanting something out of the opposite sex
because you don't know what else to do you don't know how else to get there
exactly and a lot of people watching this have that leechy vibe they are needy in one area of their life right and that comes on to other areas as well like that's what I think like if you want to completely eradicate neediness just completely eradicate from every aspect of your life so what do you think man what would your advice be to them those people how do
the people who are needy
the people who are in any case either in pickup their business or their just friendships as well right some people are fucking needy
देख यार एक लेवल पे neediness comes from a lack of love when you're growing up because at the end of the day be it food be it you're needy for food which is like you're gluttonous be it you're needy for money which is you're greedy
funny point man my dog like I have 3 dogs right So 2 of the dogs are pretty calm when you give them food. 1 dog is pretty aggressive towards the food. And the funny thing is, both of the dogs are homeborn, while the other dog is a kennel-born dog. So that's why if you come near his food, he's going to bite you. So it comes in the behavior.
It comes with the behavior. That's a good point. So what you need to establish first of all is I have something missing that I don't feel yet, which is not the same as I have something missing and I'm not complete yet. Those are 2 different things because people generally prefer the second one. I am not complete. Therefore, I need something from you. Why else would I need something? If I was complete, I'd need nothing from you. If I had enough money in my wallet, I won't ask you for more money. Simple as that.
True.
Right? So I need from you something that I don't know, but that would complete me. How many fake promises does that involve? Right? So many. Like तेरे को क्या पता? तेरे को क्या पता? हाँ? तू तो अनजान है. तू तो एक अनजान लड़की है जो मेरे को अभी मिली है. How can you give me what I'm looking for? I don't even know. How would you know? Right? And then the fact that might complete me. What is complete?
What is complete? Exactly.
Right?
What is the definition of complete for you?
And
it's subjective, I guess.
Say you had to get complete. Say there is a complete. Say
You're
you
all
had to get
complete, I believe, yeah.
The point is, मैं कह रहा हूँ, say you had to buy that. Say you had to get complete. Then do it yourself. Well, I want to get complete right now. Then what will you do with the other 60 years of your life?
True. You have to be complete all the fucking time, or
फिर क्या करेगा?
What is complete? The main question arises: what is complete? What is it according to you? I believe it's subjective.
There is no complete.
There is no complete.
There is no complete. There is living in the present.
Living in the present, enjoying the moment, and being passionate about.
Because what is complete is either in the future or in the past. True. It's non-stop.
It's worry, basically.
It's worry. It's doubt. It's fear. It's shame. It's embarrassment. It's procrastination. It's lazy. It's confusion. It's all those things. And the underlying sentiment is I am not good enough. For what? For what?
True. So it's basically, you have to align your life. Keep on working on yourself. And I would say that is also if you want to work on yourself.
No. Sit down and think first.
Sit down and think first. That is also if you want to work
on
yourself.
Don't do shit. Sit down and think first. Ask yourself.
What do you want?
What is complete? Define कर लेते हैं ना. 5 लाख रुपए महीना is complete. ठीक है. अब chase कर ले. अब chase कर ले. मैं
Then you have a tangible target to chase.
और अगर तू 5 पे पहुंचता है, 5 पे पहुंचने के बाद 7 दिन पार्टी करता है.
वही पिकअप का मैं देखो अभी जो हमारी बात हो रही थी, the same topic, what you were talking about, कि after learning pickup also, right? What I was talking about, after learning pickup also, you need something, right? Or else you'll get stuck in this just learning pickup.
Anything in life.
Anything in life to grow.
अब क्या हो रहा है इस केस में? I am pickup. I have tied myself to the idea that I am pickup. Now, once I get good in pickup, I will accept myself in pickup.
True.
Right? अच्छा, अब मेरा paradigm ये 3 पॉइंट बन गया है. Where I'm starting from pickup and being good at pickup. That's it. और
भी चीजें हैं.
अब कब हो गया? When am I good enough at pickup? You don't create a never-ending loop for yourself because you can't give yourself the validation that you need. खुद को बोल देना तू complete है. 100 लड़कियों से क्या बुलवा रहा है?
So that's what I was saying. It was a bad tangible objective because you can get to that objective anyway.
Of course.
You can get to that objective, but that shouldn't be the objective for you.
The objective should be to feel fearless in conversation.
See, that's there. My objectives have always changed. Like with my life phases, initially it was something else, now it's something else. I think it should also be ever changing. You can't just have one objective. Have objectives. Once you reach that objective, what do you want to do? Objective after that, what do you want to do?
यार, I mean, sure, if somebody can think of life like that, मैं तो सोच नहीं सकता life के बारे में ऐसे. I have no capacity. I have one objective, one vague idea of how I want to die. That's it.
That's interesting, man.
तो फिर अभी वो objective खत्म हो जाएगा, फिर next देख लेंगे. But वो rough idea है,
objective खत्म होगा तो तू next कैसे देखेगा?
क्यों?
भाई one vague idea on how to die.
How to die मतलब 60 साल बाद. तो I know roughly what at the finish line I want in my bag. Finish line तक क्या चाहिए? और वो फिनिश लाइन तक हम रास्ता ढूंढते रहेंगे one step at a time. That's me personally.
Exactly.
I don't suggest everybody do that.
So I'm also not telling people that write it down right fucking now. Find it along your journey.
Of course.
That's what I did.
Of course.
Finding it along my journey.
Of course.
So what do you think, man? Like going in that 1 month, when initially we started pickup, what were your views back then on pickup, and what are your views right now? And I know you told me that it would be a debatable topic.
Sure. देख ऐसा है. There is a reason why I still continue to patronize this art to whatever extent I do, in the sense where like people who teach, preach are on my platform and I am on their platforms. Is because I think pickup tries to solve a problem that's very real.
Okay.
Which is that inherently, instinctively, especially in repressed societies like ours where men and women don't interact, Men don't know how women operate. Women don't know how men operate. They don't even fucking know that they're different. ठीक है? एक बात. Number one. So that is something that a problem that needs to really be solved. Because अगर मैं इसके consequences paint out करने लगूंगा हमारी फट जाएगी. Like we hear of people like Harvey Weinstein all the time, right? Me Too cases, Lauda Lassan. Why do they exist? Because men do not know how to find sex for themselves.
True, man.
So they try to use their power and money to buy it or force it or coerce, है ना? And then you have all these ugly moments that एक level पे there is this thing. Second level पे, what happens when somebody initially comes to it, and that is part of the way this is entirely packaged. And I'm not saying it's consciously packaged. The way it has come to be packaged, probably because of his association with mystery and magic. Probably
magic.
Like probably because of the association of it, like not being like it's culturally just such a woo-woo phenomena. The point is,
I think partly it's mostly marketing also, man. Like
possibly, but the point is, initially when you come across this, you feel like you come across something very unique.
Dark and unique, I guess.
Right? Like you're like, oh my God. And so initially your fascination is more emotional. Because you're like, I've discovered a superpower that people don't know of. Right? And it's good because that makes you do it.
But it makes you more narcissistic.
But it makes you blind, bro. It makes you blind to the stupidities in the whole thing. And so the process has been from going on this side, being very fascinated, overdoing the shit out of it. Till then being like, bro, wait a second, ये तो मेरी life नहीं हो सकती. I need to change my life. And then actually once I distanced myself from it, I built a healthy relationship with the whole thing. ऐसा नहीं, I still talk to women. I still use some of the stuff I've learned, right? I still know how to compliment.
It's like in everything you'll get so much stuff to learn, right? In everything there'll be ups, there'll be positives and downs. That's something I realized. Because initially, obviously, coming back from the RSD, the mystery days, as you said.
Right.
That's when I was learning, right? That's when I was learning pickup. That's when I was actually 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, learning this shit, right? And after that, when I started working as a coach and now working for a company, Attractive Man, honest dating. So there's just two sides of it is what I feel. Now, that's my perspective on this. It's just, there's two sides to it. Yeah. And obviously the other side, the darker side is more attractive.
I'll say something controversial, right?
I mean.
And it'll probably be too controversial, but fuck it. देख, कहने को तो there are two sides to Islam too. But for us to understand what side to point at, we have to see what, like, एक तो डैमेज का वॉल्यूम क्या है और दूसरा जो लोग उस डैमेज को करने के इंक्लिनेशन में उनका वॉल्यूम क्या है, तभी तो हम फेयरली क्रिटिसाइज या नॉन क्रिटिसाइज किसी मोड में डाल पाएंगे ना. एंड विद पिकअप द प्रॉब्लम इज मोस्ट पीपल फॉल ऑन द टॉक्सिक साइड. सो यू माइट से आउट एंड आउट up until the revolution has not come where I found pickup artists to be safe people. Like in general, if I'm going out to summer house with a girl, I know I am going to be harassed because some dude does not know when to shut the fuck up.
When to shut the fuck up or take a step back.
Right? And she's uncomfortable. I am close to slapping your ass because you don't know who you're fucking with. And I've had so many instances where I'm like, bro, तू देख तो तू किससे बात कर रहा है, भाग यहाँ से. बट उस बंदे को समझ नहीं आता है. उसको क्या है, उसकी
प्रोग्रामिंग उसकी ये है
कि मैं इसको एमॉक कर दूंगा. तू मेरे को एमॉक करेगा.
एमॉक से मेरे को एक चीज याद आई. ब्रो मैं ना अभी इनफील्ड देख रहा था अपनी. तेरी भी है
भाई, डिलीट कर दे भाई.
तेरी एमॉक की इनफील्ड पड़ी है.
अच्छा, किसको एमॉक कर रहा है?
मैंने किया था.
तूने मेरे को एमॉक किया? चल हट साले, मेरी बात
ब्रो. इनफील्ड में दिखा सकते हो.
मेरे को इनफील्ड दिखाइयो. Oh my god.
But yeah, we had good times, man.
Bro, fucking
but the girl was not that good. That's why it's never released and it won't be released. Don't worry. Kidding, not only on the girl.
But also on my friend because you were not good enough.
Yeah, but we have a lot of infields यार तेरी.
अच्छा.
उस टाइम की एक ही दिन की.
I think I remember what I was wearing.
That
also.
night, bro.
In summer house?
Yeah.
Bro, that was crazy night, bro.
That was crazy night.
Good.
We approached code around 20-30 sets. I don't even remember.
I remember what I was wearing that day. Specifically.
Suit you're wearing.
ये सूट वाले दिन है. नहीं,
सूट की है. सूट वाले दिन की है.
भाई सूट वाले दिन पे हम लोग went to Shillong.
सूट वाले दिन हम गए थे summer house जब
Shillong
स्विच हो गया था. याद है देखो, स्विच हो गया था.
छोड़ दे भाई यार, ये कैमरा कट. बट इन जनरल
हाँ, बट सही यू राइट कि बंदे आते हैं और सोचते हैं कि हम एमॉक कर देंगे. और
क्योंकि जो फंडामेंटल अजम्पशंस, जो प्रिंसिपल्स जिन पे ये डिसिप्लिन बिल्ड है, जो प्रॉब्लम हम जिसकी बात कर रहे थे, जो एक बहुत बढ़िया प्रॉब्लम है सॉल्व करने की, उसको एक बहुत करप्टेड फैशन में बहुत ऑफ्टन सॉल्व किया जाता है क्योंकि लोगों को वो करप्टेड वैरायटी चाहिए कि मैं लड़कियों के साथ बेहतर हो जाऊं.
यार अब देख,
तू मेरी बात समझ. एक मिनट रुक, फॉलो दिस. बंदे को चाहिए मैं लड़कियों के साथ बेहतर हो जाऊं. तो एक देयर इज गोइंग टू बी अ गाय लाइक आई विल गेट यू टू बिकम बेटर विद वुमेन. इंस्टेड द गाय शुड बी लाइक, रुक, तेरे को ये नहीं चाहिए. यू वांट अ गुड पर्सन टू बी विद. At one point तू मैक्सिमम 2 बंदों के साथ होगा, तो कितना पलेगा में से? 3 बंदे, 4 बंदे. You emotionally cannot invest in more than 3 people.
टाइम भी नहीं है.
नहीं होता ना, precisely. तो तुम्हें कह रहा हूँ 1 या 2. What you want is to get to that space, stay there, learn that part, then fail at it, and then start looking again. You don't want to constantly get better.
Because I did that, man. What you're talking about, the other route, right? You remember Excel maintaining and all
Right.
that bullshit,
Right.
fucking automations, and that kills the soul of pickup.
Bro, that kills
It kills the soul of yourself.
human interaction.
Actually, human interaction too. And I remember, you advised me at that time. I was dating this girl, and you were like, "How much do you know about her?" And funny enough, my game was completely sexual at that time. I didn't even speak to women. Like I did, but probably, you know how man. Like,
Sure.
come words, just fucking hooking up. And at that time, you gave me the advice, okay, you asked me, what do you know about her? And funny enough, I didn't even know her university or education at that time.
Right.
I was like, fuck, he's right. And that's when I realized that doing it excessively has given me the fucking skill, what I wanted to achieve. But at the end of the day, I wanted to be with that one
Bro,
person. That was my perspective before.
Right. ठीक है.
Now it's a bit different, but fuck it.
To that, let me tell you, देख, even if we think of sex as purely a utility, 1 minute के लिए, which is also not the right way to think of it, but let's just, तो तेरा क्या इंटेंट है? मेरे को यूटिलिटी मैक्सिमाइज करनी है. अब वो यूटिलिटी क्या है? प्लेजर है ना.
Marginal utility.
प्लेजर मैक्सिमाइज करना है ना तेरे को. मार्जिनल प्लेजर. तू और मैं दोनों जानते हैं that the marginal pleasure of being with the same person, in the sense of वहाँ पे जो when you are emotionally invested in somebody, the sex is so much better and different than being with 100 people you don't care about.
That's true.
Right? तो और हो सकता है तुम्हारा रेशियो 20-80 हो, कि 80 तुम्हें एक बंदे से चाहिए, 20 तुम्हें बाहर
से चाहिए.
वो भी फिगर आउट. बट you 100 random people that you don't care about, you don't care. It's just validation at that point.
That's true, man. That's why my suggestion is raise the bar, talk to more attractive girls.
तो भी नहीं होता यार. There is never a
that's
feeling
the
of
thing.
attractive.
See, what I realized about myself being in a monogamous relationship, that's the reason I didn't put my infields out for the longest time. You know that, right? So after doing that, I realized that like I might just if I have an emotional thing, I might just have it with 3 or 4 girls, 5 girls at the same time.
Sure, why not?
Yeah,
if you're honest about it and that
I'm
is what
honest
works,
about it. And
if that is what works, that is fine. I have no
You
problem.
have to make it work. You have to understand certain things of frame control and shit. But yeah, that's it.
यार पता है उसमें भी देख, अब मैं अगर किसी के साथ ऑनेस्टली हूँ तो क्या फ्रेम, फिर तो मैं नेकेड हूँ ना. मेरे लिए एटलीस्ट फॉर मी द वे इट ऑपरेट्स, इफ आई एम विद समबडी देन इट्स शेयर, इट्स बेसिकली बीइंग नेकेड इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम एवरी सेंस. और उनको नहीं पसंद आता, वो चले जाते हैं, उनकी प्रॉब्लम है. मैं तो अपने में मस्त हूँ. वो मेरा इनर गेम सॉल्व है. वो मेरा हाँ राइट. एंड आई ट्रूली थिंक वो बहुत ही ना स्ट्रेस रिडक्टिव मेथड है. अब मेरे को सोचना नहीं.
यही स्ट्रेस रिडक्टिव मेथड की वजह से ही आई हैव कम टू द ओपननेस ऑफ जस्ट बीइंग ऑनेस्ट, बीइंग ऑथेंटिक, राइट? बीइंग ऑथेंटिक अबाउट व्हाट यू आर लुकिंग फॉर, बिकॉज़ दुनिया में बहुत लोग हैं.
हाँ भाई,
बहुत लोग हैं जो तुम्हारे को मिलेंगे जो जिनको सेम ऑब्जेक्टिव्स होंगे और नहीं होंगे किसी के ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. मे बी यू आर टू वैल्यूएबल फॉर देम, बट डोंट डू दैट बिकॉज़ दैट इज अगेन स्ट्रेसफुल.
ब्रो मैं बताऊं,
वो रिजेंटमेंट में बदलेगा.
Like the harshest thing that can happen if you're absolutely honest is one that you don't, if you're absolutely honest, क्योंकि क्या होगा अगर मैं ट्रूली ऑनेस्ट हूँ, मैं इस लड़की को रोज देख रहा हूँ 25 दिन से, मैं इससे एक्चुअली प्यार नहीं करता, ये मैंने फैंटेसी बना रखी है ना,
infatuation है.
ये ऑनेस्ट है. अब मैं the harshest thing that can happen to you if you're truly honest to the T is that there is somebody you love who loves you back and you're truly with each other but it does not work out for whatever reason. उससे ज्यादा ट्रैजिक कुछ नहीं होगा. जिससे तेरी बननी नहीं थी उसी ने ना बोलना, जिससे उससे तेरी नहीं बननी थी तो कुछ, मैं तो अपना सारा सच बोल दिया ना. अब क्या, मैंने अगर अपना झूठ बोला होता, एक बार ये हाँ बोल देती, फिर बात आगे बढ़ जाती, तो वो मेरे को जान लेती. नहीं तो वो मेरे को जान लेती, फिर अबे उसने
फिर मेंटेन यार, यू हैव टू मेंटेन दैट, यू हैव टू बी.
मैंने अपना सच बोल दिया यहाँ पे उसको.
दैट इज व्हाई अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल फेस दिस प्रॉब्लम कि they get the numbers, they get the date, they're able to go on the first date, they might just get late with the knowledge of pickup, right? I'm not talking about, okay, the knowledge of pickup, again, it's on 2 tangents, being and doing. You get it, right?
Go on.
तो doing वाला tangent हो गया जो beginners usually follow कि scripts तो मेरे को openers चाहिए, मेरे को I want something कि मैं बोलूँ और the girl gets attracted. That is the doing tangent, कि what you're doing to make her get attracted. Now the being tangent is on another paradigm. It's a paradigm shift. कि feel happier, right? Have your self-respect, right? Talk to the woman, make her feel comfortable and make her feel happy about not herself, but just when you're talking to her, make her feel a wide range of emotions, but happiness.
Acha, with that,
and again also make her feel a wide range of emotions. क्यों है? It's not कि just happiness. Then it's you faking it. वही बोल रहा था ना तू अभी।
नहीं मैं बताऊंगा मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, तू पहले बोल।
तो make her feel a wide range of emotions rather than a baseline of emotions.
तो मेरा सीन ये है, देख तभी that is why my product is the art of conversation. There is a very interesting saying I came across. If you're walking on the street, hear me out. If you're walking on the street and you are waiting to see the eye color of everybody on the street, you might miss the bus that's coming to hit you, right? The smart way of doing something, is knowing what data to consider and what data to totally ignore.
True.
And I think pickup is that excessive data when it comes to conversation. और भी चीजें हैं पिकअप में, उस पर मैं बात नहीं कर रहा।
वही बात है ना, conversations you might be right in that sense कि conversations, क्योंकि pickup is more about subconscious communication.
तो ठीक, तो हम उस वाले पार्ट को इग्नोर करते हैं, ठीक है? I'll speak from my fortress, which is conversation, right? Now in conversation, if I think about having to give her positive emotion, what do I need to know? What emotion she's at? What will make her positive? How does positive on her look like? Where do I go from there? ये 4 important pieces. क्या मिस हो गया? मैं बोलूं क्या बहनचोद? और मैं बोलूं क्या मतलब मैं अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस कैसे करूं, जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पीस होना चाहिए। इसको रिवर्स कर दे, मैं क्या बोलूं, मेरे लिए सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पीस क्या है? एक प्रिंसिपल पे बॉइल डाउन कर दूंगा पूरा पिकअप, रिस्क टेकिंग, खत्म। यू जस्ट हैव टू टेक रिस्क एंड देन कैलिब्रेट इट विद कंफर्ट, बस, और कुछ नहीं। रिस्क कैसे लेना है? रिस्क क्या होता है? एक जोक मारना रिस्क होता है, एक ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछना जिसमें तुम जेन्युइनली इंटरेस्टेड होते हो रिस्क होता है, एक ओपिनियन रखना रिस्क होता है, एक चीज, एक पॉइंट ऑफ रियलिटी नेगोशिएट करना, कुछ भी रिस्क होता है। मैंने ना बोला तेरे को और फिर ये एक्सप्लेन किया तेरे शो पे, तेरी टेबल पे बैठ के, एक रिस्क है। तू बोल सकता है चुप बहनचोद, पर तू नहीं बोलेगा, मेरे को पता है क्यों, बिकॉज यू विल एडमिट इट एंड एट दैट पॉइंट अट्रैक्शन इज क्रिएटेड, फुल स्टॉप, खत्म। एंड सो दैट इज व्हाट आई मीन, इफ यू टेल समबडी फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट, take the risks you want in the direction that you want.
True.
They will eventually build their own brand of pickup.
See, now again, I feel it's more in-depth knowledge, like there's body language reading, then there's, like pickup can be more advanced, man. Like even the people, who are teaching pickup, most of the instructors, once they get at a level of pickup, they might not release it online. They might not release it in videos, what they're researching on, right? It's more about body language.
I don't think there is so much, bro. तो मेरा disagreement ही वही है ना. I don't think there is so much. यार ठीक है, तू कह रहा है एडवांस्ड है, मैं कितने साल लगाने हैं मेरे को एक चीज सीखने के, जो मेरे को इतना सीखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है।
यही बात आ जाती है कि एक बंदा 1 महीने में सीख सकता है क्योंकि तूने मैसिव एक्शन लिए, ठीक है, और उस टाइम पे मैं भी सिखा रहा था तेरे को, हम दोनों जा रहे थे बाहर साथ में, ठीक है। अब वही एक बंदा जो अलग अकेले जर्नी ले रहा है, ही कैन टेक 6 months। अब वो कितनी अप्रोचेस कर रहा है, ही कैन टेक 2 years उसमें भी।
चल ये मैथमेटिक्स इग्नोर कर, मेरा पॉइंट ये है कितना डेप्थ में सीखने की जरूरत है ऐसे।
एग्जैक्टली, वो
इतने डेप्थ की जरूरत क्या है?
हर एक बंदे को अपने लिए चूज करना पड़ता है कि व्हाट डू आई वांट फ्रॉम दिस।
क्योंकि ये डेप्थ चाहिए क्यों? ताकि मेरे को और अट्रैक्टिव लड़की मिले। ये और अट्रैक्टिव लड़की तुम्हें क्यों चाहिए? क्योंकि ये भी तुम्हें पिकअप ने बेचा है। ये या ये तुम्हें ये पॉलीगेमस और हम वी आर नॉट मेंट टू बी मोनोगेमस, ये जो सारा ये भी तुम्हें रेड पिल ने बेचा है। ये भी तुम्हें कि हम तो वी वर नेवर मोनोगेमस और ये और वो। तो फिर आदमी क्या अपने ही लूप में फंसा हुआ है। He's bought both the cause.
अच्छा, what do you believe in, like with the relationship?
Whatever you want, experiment the fuck out of it.
Exactly.
Bro, तू 4 के साथ रहे, तू 3 के साथ रहे, और
उसके बाद देखो अपने लिए कौन से सही रास्ता है।
हाँ, और फिर जो तेरे को लगता है उस हिसाब से ऑप्टिमाइज कर। तो तेरे को जरूरत ही नहीं है RSD टॉड के वो इन डेप्थ प्रोग्राम की, ब्रो। You don't need it. What you need to do is really go out and take your risks. Tell a girl she's genuinely pretty as you look her in the eye and watch her explode with emotion.
Yeah, but a lot of people still after that, what do I do? 20 seconds after that, what do I do?
तो ठीक है,
बस वो बोल देते हैं।
हाँ।
उसके बाद फ्रीज, क्योंकि नॉलेज नहीं है, समझ रहे?
तो क्या बताएगा आदमी को, क्या बोले?
A lot of things, man. Like पूरा इस पे प्रोग्राम है 12 वीक्स का, एक 10 मिनट में अगर बता,
मैं समझ रहा हूँ।
हाँ।
तो 10 मिनट में भी क्या, 10 सेकंड में ब्रो मुस्कुरा दे, बोल दे मेरे को नहीं पता, मेरे को सिर्फ ये समझ आ रहा था।
और बीइंग ऑथेंटिक आ जाता है।
तो मैं तो उसी पे इंसिस्ट करता हूँ, जो तेरे कंपस में बचती है बात, वो बात कर, और छोड़ दे तू किसी और की बात सुन जो तेरे कंपस में बचती है। बट उसका
अब फिर उसमें फिर वही बात है ना कि रिलेटेबिलिटी कॉन्सेप्ट
नहीं बनता, ना बने, उससे तेरी बननी नहीं थी फिर।
अब अगर ऐसा एडवाइस बिगिनर्स को देंगे पिकअप में,
हाँ,
जो पिकअप सीख रहे हैं बिगिनर्स, उनकी किसी से नहीं बनेगी ब्रो
इनिशियली ना, फिर वो समझेंगे ना धीरे-धीरे
वो। अब देख वही बात है ना कि आधे लोग समझेंगे, आधे लोग कहेंगे यार ये तो कुछ अलग ही है। गाइस, वी आर बैक फॉर राउंड 2। वी फॉरगॉट द सो वी आर बैक फॉर राउंड 2 एंड या वी जस्ट came back after 10 minutes, so let's have this session, man.
Right.
So the thing I was talking about, ki pickup maybe, when this was one of the major issues I was facing during boot camps, and that's why we have policies like no pulls on boot camps, nothing, not taking the girl home, because a lot of people who just become the instructors, right? You're like, okay, I want to do it. I want to travel the fucking country, pick up a lot of girls, and have fun while doing it. But they fail to understand that we are getting paid not to get laid. That is one of the major things. I've heard it somewhere actually. We're getting paid not to get laid.
It looks like an American thing.
Yeah, it is.
But यार बात उसकी भी नहीं है ना. देख, मैं पता है मेरे लिए सरप्राइजिंग चीज़ क्या है. हम सिर्फ हमारा देश नहीं, पूरी दुनिया, और सिर्फ पूरी दुनिया नहीं, पूरी दुनिया और उसकी हिस्ट्री में सारे मर्द और सारी औरतें एक प्राइमरी मोटिवेशन की वजह से, और मर्द मोर देन विमेन, बिकॉज फॉर मेन देयर एक्शंस आर a lot more telling about their sexual value, let's just say for the sake of saying it, than for women. So much of what they do has to do with sex. Success has to do with sex. Peace has to do with sex.
I think that's social conditioning also, man.
Bro, it is purely biological. Purely
social
biological.
Conditioning as well. Like if you think about it, the Indian social conditioning. Like have you seen that Netflix episodes which is about arranged marriages and shit?
हाँ.
Right?
Bro, you think ऐसा नहीं है कि अरेंज मैरिज एक दिन किसी को आइडिया आया, ओहो
नहीं, बट मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि वो इतने टाइम से पुश करी जा रही है वो आइडियोलॉजी.
उससे पहले बायोलॉजिकल पुश था, फिर वो कल्चरल पुश बना.
कल्चरल पुश बना और वो अब एक सोशो कल्चरल पुश बन गया है.
तो वो स्टार्ट तो बायोलॉजी पे ही होता है कि यार मैं तो
caveman times, evolutionary.
I'll fill you in on something. Yeah. So after I learned whatever I learned from you and then I practiced it, however, क्योंकि उसके मैं 6-8 महीने बाद ही निकल गया था. मैं वहाँ गया, 1-2 सेमेस्टर बाद मेरे को रियलाइज हुआ मेरे को पढ़ना है एवोल्यूशनरी साइकोलॉजी, और जब मैं एवोल्यूशनरी साइकोलॉजी पढ़ना शुरू किया, आई रियलाइज सो मच ऑफ व्हाट आई लर्नड बिफोर इज कंपैटिबल विद दिस डिसिप्लिन.
डेफिनेटली.
तो मैंने रिसर्च करा एवोल्यूशनरी साइकोलॉजी पे, सेक्स के टर्म्स में, ड्रग्स के टर्म्स में, कॉन्शियसनेस, माइंड के, ऑल दीज थिंग्स दैट आई वाज इंटरेस्टेड इन हैड वन वे और द अदर टच्ड एवोल्यूशनरी साइकोलॉजी. एंड मैं तेरे को बता रहा हूँ ना, ऑन अ बायोलॉजिकल लेवल देयर आर स्टडीज टू दिस इफेक्ट. हम लोग, women like status, men like physical attraction. Number 1 when it comes to short-term hookups. For marriages, sort of leveling हो जाती है.
अब वही बात है ना, pickup teaches you a route more subtle around that, I guess.
So that is my point. That is why I'm fine with this being endorsed, is because ये decoupling कर पाना, मेरे को तब भी ये बात पता थी अक्टूबर में कि मैं ये इसलिए सीख रहा हूँ ताकि मैं सारा टाइम सेक्स को लेके चिक ना करूँ.
True.
क्योंकि मेरा दिमाग सारा टाइम
यार, अब उस टाइम पे तेरे भी, like for me, I didn't have a lot of friends around me at that time. I came back from Singapore. Most of my friends were studying abroad. But तेरे तो काफी, मतलब तेरा क्लोज ग्रुप था वहाँ पे. तो you must know कि लोगों के दिमाग में कितना चल रहा है.
कहाँ पे?
फरीदाबाद में.
हाँ.
कितना चल रहा है, like sex, like how important is.
It's not just my friends.
Not only your friends, but all the people around.
You just know. मैं तेरे को बताता हूँ एग्जाम्पल. तेरे को क्या लगता है, जब छोटे होते हैं हम 8th 9th 10th क्लास में, हम स्पोर्ट्स क्यों खेलते हैं?
Definitely, I know.
It is to be noticed, and I'm not just saying noticed by women, but noticed by men. And then here is the funny part.
Social.
If you're noticed by women, men notice you more. If you're noticed by men, women notice you more. The whole point is, at the end of it, it's a biological instinct for relevance, and relevance gets you more laid. There is nothing else to relevance except getting laid. Very relevant people like Harvey Weinstein, who was extremely relevant but did not get laid, did stupid shit because he tried to exert his relevance to get laid. है ना? Money, power.
Yeah, money, power.
So all these small things that we do have a flavor of, I'm not saying that is the only motivation, has a flavor of these motivations. And I was like, वो unpeel कर दो ताकि मैं कुछ कर पाऊँ तो बिना distraction के.
And that is conversations for you.
नहीं, that is not what that is, I'll come to. The problem is, one good kind of person who gets into pickup, and then one good kind of person who gets into pickup, let's say X and Y. X might understand this early on and then do pickup only to the effect कि अब मेरे को sex के बारे में नहीं सोचना. Y might get consumed and all he thinks about is now pickup. And that is doing the exact opposite of what you intended it to.
Yeah, true. That's why you have to, take a good view at yourself from time to time, assess your beliefs, analyze your beliefs. कि क्या चल रहा है दिमाग में.
And इसीलिए कई लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो सिर्फ only outright and simple पिकअप करना शुरू कर देते हैं. क्योंकि क्या वो वैलिडेशन तो मिल गई ना, जो वैलिडेशन की मोटिवेशन थी, सेक्सुअल मोटिवेशन, बाकी हर एक्शन में वो मिल रही है पिकअप से.
It's like a validation hit. Like, have you heard about that experiment where they give cocaine to rats and they just want that cocaine and it's like a dopamine hit, right?
It is like a victory, यार.
It is because you're getting good reactions which you have never gotten in your life.
फिर तुम कहते हो कि मैं काम क्यों करूं, और उससे क्या होता है, गेम खराब होने लग जाता है. फिर तुम और गेम करने लग जाते हो उसको ठीक करने के लिए,
और काम खराब हो रहा है,
और कम काम करते हो, फिर और गेम खराब होता है.
So I think balance is not exactly, it's balance is important, but the age best to learn pickup, I think, in my opinion would be to like 17 to 18 to 19 जब तुम
Something
college
along
में
the- हाँ.
college में हो
जब तुम्हारे पास
और
time है.
तेरे पास भी तब टाइम था
अब नहीं
मेरे
है
पास भी
मेरे
तब टाइम था
हाँ अब मैं नहीं जा
But
सकता बाहर.
अगर मैं age if I'm like if I want to learn it right now I'm 26 if I want to learn it right now I would go for coaching 1 साल 2 साल skip knowledge and then I get like what I want in 2 months 3 months
आई एम ऑलवेज अ फर्म बिलीवर अर्नव कि भाई सीधा फील्ड पे जाओ और मुंह तुड़वाओ. बेसिक समझ लो. ऑलवेज प्ले ऑन द अंडर साइड. बोर कर दो, ऑफेंड मत करो.
offend मत करो
Bore
but
करते
काफी लोग ऐसे हैं जिनकी जब अब you were good socially before that also
हाँ
ठीक है you were good before that also काफी लोग ऐसे हैं जो complete awkwardness से निकल रहे हैं
ठीक है, तुम ऑकवर्ड रह लो बट उसको ऑफेंड मत करो और धीमे धीमे ट्राई करते रहो.
उनको
पुश करते
वही
रहो.
नहीं पता कि offensive है क्या
तो चेहरे पता लग जाता है इतना. थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस करके समझ आ जाएगा जब वो धमकाएगी.
That's true. But वो
एक
फिर
दो
वहां
बार
पे
में-
आ रहा है फिर वहां पे आ रहा है पॉइंट फिर नेगेटिव एक रेफरेंस एक्सपीरियंस आ रहा है लोगों के
तो
दिमाग में।
एक दो बार में समझ जाएगा. अब अगर उसमें भी देयर इज मोर थिंग्स इन द वे आई परसीव द होल थिंग. लाइक द मॉडल इज नॉट टू विन अ कन्वर्सेशन. द मॉडल इज टू से व्हाट यू वांट. अब मैंने वो बोल
ओपिनियन
दिया.
अपना ओपिनियन सामने रखना।
जो मेरे को जो भी था ओपिनियन क्वेश्चन जो व्हाटएवर जो मेरे को था मैंने बोल दिया.
What do you think अच्छा what do you think are the key components of a conversation? The key components if you have to just put it out there.
ठीक है. Good question. A conversation, any conversation, is a negotiation of reality. अब तू और मैं क्या कर रहे हैं जब से पिछले 20, 25, 30 मिनट से हम एक एक पॉइंट को तोड़ तोड़ के ये सही है गलत है सही है गलत है माइक्रो नुआंसेस पे बात कर रहे
Dissect कर रहे हैं
हैं, है ना. और उसमें क्या है हम एक लाइन पे अगर डिफरेंट ओपिनियन एक स्केल है ओपिनियन का तू यहाँ है मैं यहाँ हूँ तू बोलता है नहीं मैं फिर यहाँ जाता हूँ मैं बोलता हूँ नहीं तू थोड़ा और यहाँ आ जाता है एंड वी कीप कमिंग क्लोजर टू ईच अदर. इट्स अ नेगोशिएशन फॉर रियलिटी.
Definitely.
Right? All conversation is that.
True.
Now, forget the fact that negotiations need to be won. Remember the fact that you need to negotiate as strongly and as authentically as you can. That's all. So the conversation boils down to what is your truthful next sentence. That's all.
And that has to boil down to your authentic personality and what your thoughts are and what your
For sure. As far as the tools of conversation are concerned,
tools of conversation. Yeah.
there is risk taking and then there is comfort giving. Those are the only two tools. Comfort आएगा मेरे को तेरे बारे में information आती है. I know how to imagine you in my head. I have comfort. मेरे को तेरे बारे में information नहीं मेरे को तेरे से let's just say an emotional spike आती है. मेरे को तेरे से एक experience आता है. वहाँ attraction आएगा. अब वो experience ज़रूरी नहीं है एक direction में जाए जहाँ वो हंसे ही सिर्फ. रोती भी लड़कियां भी सेक्सुअली अट्रैक्ट हो सकती हैं, हंसती भी लड़कियां भी एंड
I've
वाइस
seen that
वर्सा
also.
वाइस वर्सा
Yeah.
लड़के भी रोते हुए ऑल दैट
All
हैपेंस.
of that happens.
और गंभीर भी कर सकते हो तुम लड़की को. कुछ लोग कहते हैं मैं बड़ा नर्डी हूँ. अबे तुम उनको फिजिक्स की स्टोरी ढंग से सुनाओ तो.
Whatever you believe in, just talk
Of
about
course. And so it is really about taking your risks and then revealing your truthful self.
it. True.
This is who I am. अगर मैं एक कॉन्वर्सेशन शुरू करूं जहां पे मैं I tell somebody about how vulnerable I was at a certain moment, and this has happened several times on my live streams. वो बंदे का रिएक्शन forever चेंज हो जाता है यार. उसे कहता है देख ये vulnerable है और कितना strong है अपनी vulnerability में. ये बंदा रियल है. मेरे को इससे ट्रस्ट के बारे में सोचना नहीं है. मेरे को इससे कोई ये नहीं सोचना कि ये क्या करना चाहता है इसके इंटेंट के बारे में. Suddenly they are comfortable.
Yeah.
And in that comfort also suddenly, in that very comfort giving moment where I'm telling you about myself, I have built attraction. So even these these two things are not exclusive.
Now in pickup, when we talk about conversations, it boils down to mostly about emotional spikes. As you said, validation spikes. Then voice tonality, right?
And I think again, like we are already taking in too much complexity as soon as we get into validation. Like to genuine compliment
Genuine,
देना.
exactly. Now that is a separate route.
I was on a date recently. I look at the girl's feet और उसने she was wearing these very nice slippers and I was like those are great shoes, right? And she's like thank you.
तो अब वही मैं समझा रहा हूँ कि
हाँ.
पिकअप के अलग अलग तरीके हैं, right? Objectives छोटे और बड़े objectives हैं. So always have a bigger objective, like working on yourself rather than just fucking 100 goals.
Working on yourself
Right.
क्या है? What is working on yourself? Because pickup के world में working on yourself भी pickup हो जाता है.
अब हाँ ठीक है मैं तेरी बात समझ रहा हूँ, बट वर्किंग ऑन योरसेल्फ पिकअप एक एस्पेक्ट है ना उसका सेल्फ इम्प्रूवमेंट का.
Not for everybody.
Not for everybody.
It's
Some
just
follow it
really-
as a religion. They're like fuck pickup karunga मैं
हाँ.
सब. But for me what it did, like have you seen my photo back when I was in Singapore?
नहीं.
I'll add it in this podcast.
हाँ.
All right.
ठीक है.
And like I worked on different aspects. ठीक है, from fashion to my personality to the outer game aspect, which is pickup, and then pickup also has an inner game aspect. But वो भी मतलब it's also taking you to a direction where you have to think कि is this the direction I want to go? क्योंकि जो marketed है, वो it's all the good things only.
यार
right?
नहीं, मेरा point ये है कि वो भी मेरे को I'm not convinced that is the
Meditation,
route for
reading.
मैं उसको भी नहीं कहता. I don't think that is the route for
Self-discovery, no.
Self-discovery is different from self-improvement.
Exactly.
And that's why I'm
Self-improvement
not
is
fond of self-improvement. I'm fond of self-discovery.
Self-discovery, yeah.
ठीक है, तो self-discovery क्या है? मैं अपने बारे में जानूं. अब क्या है जो मैं नहीं
वो
जानता?
subjective है completely.
और वो completely
बहुत subjective है.
और उसके लिए तुम्हें अपने दिल की आवाज सुननी है, झांटू किसी यूट्यूबर की नहीं. मेरी बात समझ रहा है?
बहुत subjective है.
वो उसके लिए तू अपने आप से पूछ, मेरे को क्या करने में डर लगता है.
But अब तू एक ये बात सोच.
हाँ.
एक 17 साल का बच्चा देख रहा है.
हाँ.
उसकी क्या दिल की आवाज है?
तो मैं कह रहा हूँ आज तेरे को नहीं पता होगा. आज तू बोलेगा शायद मेरी दिल की आवाज ये है कि
Exactly.
मैं घंटा जाके कुछ कर लूं. कर ले, मतलब सेफ रहियो, मरियो मत, कर ले. देख तेरे को एक्चुअली तेरे दिल की
एक्सपीरियंसेस ले अपने और लेते रहे, एक्सपेरिमेंट करते रहे.
एक्सपेरिमेंट कर, क्योंकि तेरे पास कोई तरीका नहीं है ये जानने का. तू एक यूनिक प्रोडक्ट है, एक बहुत यूनिक सर्कमस्टेंस का. तेरे को शायद ये बात आज पता नहीं. क्यों? क्योंकि तेरे आसपास सब सेम स्कूल में गए हैं, सब सेम क्लासेस में थे,
सबके सेम थॉट प्रोसेस है, सबका सेम.
You haven't understood how unique you are today and how unique you will be 8-10 years down the line.
So that's one of the things I read in this book called Repeatlessness. It's by Joe Marcella. It's like कि हर एक मेडिटेशन गुरु अपने मेडिटेशन वाले उसमें ले जाना चाहते हो तुम्हें पाथ में, be it whatever, right? Isha Foundation, Art of Living, कि सिर्फ this is the right path, right? But you should try each and every path and figure out which is the most fucking convenient for you, which is the most suitable for you, which helps you the most.
You are absolutely bang on in that sense, bro. मैं तो उसको और deeply ले जाता हूँ.
हाँ.
कि it is not just Isha. It is also the way your family lives. It is the way your friends live.
True. Cultural.
All these are different ways of living life. These are different. अगर तूने वो देखा है जिसमें हम म्यूजिक EQ बोर्ड होता है ना, जिसमें अलग अलग knobs होते हैं. हर एक combination represent infinite combinations. The more the knobs, the more the combinations, and there is infinite complexity there. You have to chase what is your truth, and the way you will know that is by getting in touch with your instinct, and the way you will do that is by feeding your instinct, and how you do that is by following your fucking first instinct
and getting your experiences.
Experimentation. You have to expose yourself to different circumstances, especially tough ones, and you have to continue doing that, and that is one route. Isko main in my pro league that I teach, I call it the Nietzsche route.
Ninja route.
Nietzsche. Friedrich Nietzsche was the philosopher,
okay,
German philosopher. He talked about this concept of self-overcoming.
All right.
I overcome the difficulties in myself. He called it Ubermensch, Overman. Okay? Then there is the Buddha route. And I'm fond of that too, which is you learn.
And that is the thing, man. That is the thing. You have to, it's not only about polarizing things. It's about you have to find out every way. You have to go, and that's what you did, right?
I chased my own dreams, yes.
You read about a lot of shit. You get knowledge. And not only about one thing, कि बस इसी में घुस जाना. It's like multiply the knowledge.
Of course.
So tell me about the Buddha route you're talking
So
about.
the Buddha route is, bro, देख अगर Nietzsche route है कि मैं अपनी reality का master बनूं, Buddha route है मैं ये realize कर लूं कि ये realize सिर्फ intellectually नहीं, कि सिर्फ मेरे को पता है दिमाग में, experientially, कि मैं देख पा रहा हूं कि ये सब एक नाटक है और ये real नहीं है. The Buddha route is to understand that this is just a play.
This is just a play that you're
जो
playing.
माया वाला concept है, ठीक है? And both these routes fundamentally different, compatible but different, and they both work. और इसमें भी तुम्हारे अलग अलग proportions, अलग अलग formats, patterns होंगे इनको adapt करने के. But इसके अलावा कोई और option नहीं है. इसको एक और तरीका है कहने का, Socrates who talked about self mastery, and Jesus who talked about sacrifice. Those are the other two routes, which is the same as
So
Buddha.
they're basically
Archetypes.
Yeah,
They're archetypes.
They're archetypes, and there's just there's one pudding, and there's many ways to make that pudding.
For sure.
Yeah.
I'd say there's two puddings,
Okay.
and you might make both those puddings
In fucking 100 ways.
in
like,
fucking 1 million
1,000 ways,
but you
yeah.
have to find your
own way, which is the most suitable for you.
right? And so what you must be getting at with life is not women or no women, is not money or no money, is whatever, but with freedom.
Yeah, and what I feel about that, I saw something and it just resonated a lot with me, was fix the area of your life which demands the most at that time, and just focus in on focus in, right?
Or rather ask yourself why I cannot not focus. Because bro, एक तेरे को मैं बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बात बताता हूँ. आदमी क्या सोचता है, मैं ये ऑब्जेक्ट हूँ और मेरे को इसको इस डायरेक्शन में पोजीशन करके पुश करना है. मैं सोचता हूँ मैं पानी हूँ और टेबल है, टेबल नीचे है, पानी फ्लो कर रहा है ऑटोमेटिकली. व्हाई इज इट नॉट गोइंग हियर? व्हाई डज इट वांट टू गो हियर? मेरी बात समझ रहा है? प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन पे जब लोग आते हैं, people are like, I can't go to the gym. I'm like, what else do you want to do?
Yeah.
It's an important question. I'm not rhetorically asking that. What else do you want to do?
I think
I
it's
want
a
to
lot
stay home
about
and drink.
accepting mediocrity also, right? People just stay in their whatever they're doing, procrastinating. For example, if people are procrastinating, they procrastinate a lot.
No. I'm just asking. Genuinely, तू procrastinate कर रहा है X पे, तेरे को Y तो करना होगा ना उसकी जगह. वो Y क्या है? अब देख लेते हैं Y क्या है.
अब वही बात है ना कि जो X पे procrastinate कर रहा है वो पता लगे Z कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ, Z कर रहा हूँ. वो Z क्या है? ये तो पूछना. Why am I procrastinating? What else is there to do? अच्छा क्या है? मेरे को मैं Instagram पे टाइम स्पेंड कर रहा हूँ. मैं शराब पी रहा
Social
हूँ.
media, हाँ,
मैं वीडियो गेम्स खेल रहा
alcohol, bro.
हूँ.
Yeah.
मैं वीडियो गेम्स खेल रहा हूँ या मैं दोस्तों के साथ हैंग आउट कर रहा हूँ.
True.
इसकी कोई लिमिट नहीं है. ये हॉलो है. इनको निकाल दो. उसके अलावा तू जो कर रहा है ना वो कर दिल से और उसको कैपिटलाइज करने का सोच. Because you need some money. Let's
That
be
is
real.
the reality. You need money to survive.
And you live in a place, an age where you can do whatever the hell you want if you're good at it.
That's true. You can see that right
so,
now.
So, right, exactly.
Funny man, like I was in the restaurant business when I met you, right? You came to my restaurant also a couple of times.
Yes.
You have you?
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Huh.
So that's
Of course,
that's
bro.
there, man.
Do what you want.
Do
to
what you want, and you can make money out of it if you do it
Right.
in a right way, like rather than just following the wrong approach
For
all
sure.
the time. Change the approaches when it fails.
For sure.
Just-
Experiment with your life. That is the freedom you want. The freedom you want is to be able to experiment.
That's true.
और कुछ नहीं है लाइफ में. वैसे ही मर जाना है. कितना टाइम है? कितने टाइम हीरो रह लेगा?
So what are some of the top experiments that you've done, bro?
Some of the what?
Top experiments.
ठीक है. I'll have to talk about this experiment. मैंने एक बारी अपने आप से बोला अमेरिका में मैं झूठ नहीं बोलूंगा. I was like मैं बोलूंगा ही नहीं, तुम कुछ भी कर लो. मैं सिर्फ सच बोलूंगा. अगर कोई मेरे से पूछेगा how are you doing, तो मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगा I'm doing great just because I have to make conversation.
जैसा दिन चल रहा है
वैसा ही
बताओ.
बोलूंगा. और अगर मेरे को नहीं पता like I haven't thought about it, मैं ये भी बोल दूंगा. Like I don't have to really give an answer. I can be meta
That's
honest.
like the movie, man. Jim Carrey.
Liar.
Yeah.
Right. And the reason I was doing that was because I was tackling fear. Because we lie out of fear.
So was it before the Vipassana or after?
Oh,
the
way
Vipassana?
before.
Way before. Okay.
It was like I will lie out of fear. Everybody lies out of fear. I will only tell the truth. See where fear goes. And it was difficult. Like most of the days, it was extremely difficult telling people when they cracked the joke and it was not funny. It was not funny when their idea was not nice. It was not nice when. Well,
You
you're
must
being
have had a lot of issues.
No. I mean, bro, you learn diplomacy because of this. Now, I want to
Diplomacy.
say you are wrong without offending you. That's an effort. And I'll be specific. And you'll realize, be like, possibly I'm wrong. तू देख रहा है हमारी disagreement is cordial ना?
हाँ, it's cordial. It's not like कि भाई नहीं
तू
यही
ठीक
है
है,
सच,
हाँ,
यही है सच.
कि मैं उसको ब्रो ये वाला पॉइंट देख ध्यान से राइट. तो मैंने कई चीजें रियलाइज करी. एक तो ये हुआ जब मैंने सच बोलना शुरू करा बिफोर आई इवन टोल्ड एवरीबडी द ट्रूथ. सबको जाके दो ऐसा नहीं हुआ था कि भाई प्रखर ने चिल्ला दिया अपना सच जो भी सच है उसका किसी भी मोमेंट में. मैंने 2 दिन सिर्फ सच बोला और वो डिस्कम्फर्ट लिया. मेरी बॉडी ऑटोमेटिकली उस मोड में चली गई जहाँ पे ये डिस्कम्फर्ट इतना मैटर ही नहीं करता. अब क्या है सच बोलने से डर लग ही नहीं रहा.
No fear of.
तो फियर खत्म, झूठ बोलना खत्म.
और
खुद से
सबसे बड़ी
दूसरों
बात
से.
है कि सच बोलने से झूठ डर नहीं लग रहा, पर झूठ बोलने से डर ज्यादा बढ़ता है. If you think about
For
it.
sure, है ना?
Yeah,
Exactly, वो
lies.
फीड करता है डर को.
Yeah.
यार ये रिलीजियस जो बात है ना कि if you sin you feed Satan.
ये सब वही तो है.
हाँ वही.
Civilization, bro.
हाँ एक सेंस में. तो अब वो एक तो 2 दिन में ही 4 दिन में ही 18 दिन में ही वो गायब हो गया. जो चीज you would otherwise be like मसल बनाने में तेरे को एक दिन
साल
लगता है ना.
साल bro.
That muscle works very quickly because your mind's adapted. It's like okay, you know what, new reality. It'll still be difficult but I can do this. Fuck yes. दूसरा मैंने रियलाइज करा ब्रो all humor, at least the good one, is made out of truth. तो मैं सच बोलता था, लोगों को उम्मीद नहीं होती थी, हंसना शुरू कर देते थे. एंड आई वाज लाइक ये कैसी बकचोदी है. तब मेरे को एक और नया एंगल निकल के आया ह्यूमर पे, वेयर आई नो लॉन्गर हैड टू ट्राई टू मेक पीपल लाफ. आई जस्ट सेड माय ट्रूथ.
And that was funny.
And-
Because you believed it was funny.
बिकॉज मैं तो भोलू लोड़ू अपना सच बोल रहा हूँ, सामने वाला बंदा कह रहा है लाइक उसके मुंह से, और नॉट जस्ट आउट ऑफ सरप्राइज बट व्हाटएवर.
That's the point of being authentic, you know, just and also, you know, when you think about it, pickup mein there are times when whatever you say is golden because you believe it's golden.
And
That was
you
that
say-
Diwali time, bro. That was that
For sure.
after I think the 4 initial days we went out, that time came and whatever we were saying,
was working.
अब मैं इनफील्ड तो नहीं डाल सकते हैं यहाँ पे
हाँ,
तेरी
हाँ।
परमिशन के बिना.
That fast.
मतलब लोगों को दिखा सकते हैं हम कि कैसे हमने like
For sure.
everything, bro. Like we go to a club and it's just fucking bang on. Whatever we're saying is fucking working. It's working like gold.
For sure. तो I mean it's not just that but like अगर नहीं वर्क करता, कितने लोग हैं जो मेरे को नहीं पसंद करते, वो चले जाते हैं ना. मैंने बिना
पर तुम
try
भी पार्टी में गया था ना.
वो तो that was a different time. मैं आपकी बात कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ, true.
अब those people I'll not be compatible with are already filtered.
True.
And those that are compatible with me are funneled very quickly to me.
That's good.
And so what
that's the
happened?
way.
अब इंटेंसिटी बन रही है प्रखर अरनव की, और अगर मान ले अजीत से प्रखर की नहीं बन रही, तो मेरे को कोई टेंशन नहीं लेनी ना। अब हम दोस्त हैं, मैं एक्ट कर रहा हूँ कि हम दोस्त हैं, पर अरनव से मेरी बनती है, वहां मेरे को रिवॉर्ड्स ट्रिपल मिल रहे हैं दोस्ती के। तो वो स्ट्रैटेजी कितनी बेटर है, मैंने मैक्सिमाइज कर लिया अपना प्रॉफिट। तो किस बारे में बात कर रहे थे?
कॉन्वर्सेशन से बात इधर आ गई थी।
हाँ, किस बारे में बात कर रहे थे, याद है तेरे? सॉरी यार, रिफ कान्ये वेस्ट टू।
So anyway man, I was just thinking कि तू अपने कोर्स में क्या डालने वाला है फिर?
कोर्स तो बन गया यार। So course is a chronological structure from start to finish in a conversation. My course is designed for you to not learn how to do conversations, but do conversations and then understand what went wrong.
What went wrong? Calibrate what went wrong.
It's always after the fact.
But तेरे को नहीं लगता कि अगर फिर तू calibration का point डाल रहा है, it's gonna be the same thing कि you're calibrating what went wrong, then you're adjusting to it.
No. It's not really like that. Because इसमें मैं I'm not telling anybody what to say. I'm telling people the grammar of a good conversation. समझ रहा है कि ये वाला पार्ट है, ये इस सेंस में देखो इसको, इस वाले पार्ट को इस सेंस में देखो, इस वाले पार्ट को। When you're walking in, तुम्हारा मूड उसको ऐसे देखो। जब तुम बाहर जा रहे हो, अपना XYZ उसको ऐसे देखो, ठीक है? तुम रिस्क ले रहे हो, किस डायरेक्शन में, किस डायरेक्शन में ले रहे हो मैं नहीं बताऊंगा, रिस्क लो। अब क्या है, तू एक कॉन्वर्सेशन करके आता है, तू कहता है अरनव से बात नहीं बनी, प्रखर से बात नहीं बनी, क्यों नहीं बनी? अब अगर तू मेरा कोर्स देखेगा ना, तू बोलेगा अच्छा मैंने ये वाले जो रिस्क लेने थे नहीं लिया, या ये वाला जो कंफर्ट देना था नहीं दिया। अब मेरे को पता है एग्जैक्टली क्या पिन पॉइंटेड पार्ट है। तो इंस्टेड ऑफ टीचिंग पीपल हाउ टू हैव अ गुड कॉन्वर्सेशन, दिस कोर्स फोकसेस ऑन टीचिंग देम व्हाट अ गुड कॉन्वर्सेशन
actually is,
right? What the elements are, and then you can mix and match them for your own comfort, your own proportions,
and your oन conversations basically, क्योंकि हर conversation थोड़ी सी different होने वाली है।
तो रॉ मटेरियल है वो रॉ मटेरियल।
And what do you think man, conversations, how does it help you in life? Like okay, pickup route तो एक पिकअप रूट तो एक रूट हो गया, ठीक है? वहां पे तो कॉन्वर्सेशंस, अब यही बात आ जाती है नाइट गेम और डे गेम की। डे गेम इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, कॉन्वर्सेशन नाइट गेम में भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट सबकॉन्शियस कम्युनिकेशन भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है।
तो ब्रो देख,
बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम पिकअप, लीव द पिकअप साइड कंप्लीटली
यार। अब आई हैव बीन डूइंग YouTube for 6 months, 7 months maybe 7, this is month 10, 7 months हो जाएंगे। मजाक है 7 महीने में
वेरी गुड,
एक से एक बड़ा यूट्यूबर कोलैबोरेट कर रहा है मेरे साथ, ठीक है? एक से एक, मतलब बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियां आ रही हैं चीज़ें करने के लिए, सिर्फ 7 मंथ। और मैं ये नहीं कह रहा बहुत कुछ अचीव हो गया। मेरे को PG रेडियो में मैं जिन लोगों से बात कर रहा हूँ ना, वो इंटेलेक्चुअल लीड है इंडिया के।
True, that's
ठीक
true. I
है?
saw that.
And this is all, it's not like my dad called somebody up or like I had a friend who hooked me up with people. This is all cold calling.
Cold calling, direct calling, just emailing them, messaging them.
I cold
whatever.
called Anupam Kher and I closed
I
him.
remember that man. I saw him. और उस टाइम वो तो तेरा पहला कुछ चल रहा था।
शुरू में ब्रो अनुपम खेर कोल्ड कॉल किया, क्लोज किया, उसने मेरे को अपने घर बुलाया, खाना खिलाया और पॉडकास्ट दिया। वो मैंने रिलीज भी नहीं किया पॉडकास्ट कभी, सिर्फ 8 मिनट रिलीज किया।
एक रिलीज वन देखा था वो,
8 मिनट रिलीज किया।
क्यों नहीं किया वो?
अच्छा नहीं था वो, तो मेरे को नहीं करना था, खत्म। तू सोच,
उसको फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता। He's like fuck it.
Of course.
But यार pretty good man. That's
So,
pretty amazing.
और
And one thing I learned from that man,
हाँ.
कि just go towards what you want.
Yeah, I'll tell you in fact, I had a friend there. I mean, I still am in touch with that guy. मैं उसे कहता था प्रखर 1.5, जो प्रखर कर सकता है वो 1.5 गुना कर सकता है, ठीक है? वो बंदा ना एब्सोल्यूट बीस्ट, नेचुरल था वो, नेचुरल। और मैंने ऐसा बंदा नहीं देखा कभी किसी से भी बात।
US में?
हाँ भाई, मैं सच बता रहा हूँ भाई, मैंने उसको जो चीज़ें करते हुए देखा है, मेरे वाइल्डेस्ट इमेजिनेशंस के बाहर, ठीक है? He knew how to talk to people and he could whip up shit in the middle of nowhere with nobody in seconds, not sexually speaking, in opportunity wise. एक दिन हम लोग डिसाइड कर रहे थे हमें कहीं घूमने जाना है। He called up this अपनी मम्मी की फ्रेंड जिनसे वो 20 साल से नहीं मिला होगा, 3-4 साल की उम्र में मिला था। 15-20 मिनट में आंटी को ऐसा मक्खन लगाया, उन्होंने बोला हमारा केबिन रख लो तुम। और मैं वहां बैठा हूँ, सिर्फ मैं हैरान, मैं कह रहा हूँ
कॉन्वर्सेशन चल रही है,
कहाँ से रहा है? मैं कॉन्वर्सेशन कोर्स बेचता हूँ और मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा इस बंदे में ये निकल कैसे।
और यही सारे एक्सपीरियंसेस यार हम ज्यादा सिखाते हैं guys.
Of course.
For me it was text game which Abhishek taught me in Italy.
That is the moment I understood what risks are made out of, because the way he was speaking to her blew my mind.
Risky.
Bro, he was out and above risky. He was out and above. He was pretending like, of course you know me. Of course तुम मेरे को प्यार करती थी जब मैं छोटा था. Of course तुम मेरे को हेल्प करना चाहती हो. और वो बंदी सिर्फ वहां पे she's just stunned. She's just like, हाँ मैं तुम्हें प्यार करती हूँ जॉन, लाइक उसको नाम भी नहीं आ रहा, ठीक है? और वो बात कहाँ से खींचते हुए एंड वेरी जेन्युइन ऑनेस्ट क्लोज, और वो कहती ठीक है रख लो, तुम बता देना कब जाना है।
वाओ ब्रो।
तो मैंने जब और ये भी नहीं, मैंने तो बहुत चीजें होती
कैच मी इफ यू कैन बन सकता था वो तो फिर।
Bro, like मैं तेरे को बताऊँ, we were at this public talk by this very important, like to us he's a very important intellectual अमेरिका में,
क्या नाम था?
Eric Weinstein.
Okay.
I love the guy. And वो talk खत्म हुई, बार पे सब लोग थे, everybody had surrounded him, they were trying to talk to him. Everybody, right? ठीक है, और हमें बात करनी है, we want to invite him to Columbia. I go in this
For a trip or something?
No, for like an event at Columbia.
Okay.
We go into that 20-25 लोग गए 20-25 लोग, ठीक है, सारे ऐसे लग रहे हैं बिल्कुल सुपर, समझ रहे हैं, पढ़े लिखे लोग, हम कॉलेज के बच्चे, वो इतना बड़ा आदमी, बात हो रही है कोई इंटेंस, हमें समझ में भी नहीं आ रही, और मैं खड़ा हूँ कि मेरा स्टाइल ये है, रुक जा, you deserve his attention, once he's done be like hello I want to talk to you and then talk. That's my style. He's going nowhere.
Not getting in the
I don't get in the way. He's not going anywhere. At least इस केस में, मतलब एक बार सिचुएशन में, क्लब सिचुएशन में, एक लड़की के साथ एक अलग कॉन्टेक्स्ट है, अलग कॉन्टेक्स्ट है. This guy inserts himself in that conversation and he does it with so much finesse. It's almost flirtatious. He's like, listen, how can I slide? He's like, listen, how can I slide into your DMs? To this guy. This Eric Weinstein, by the way, manages Peter Thiel's Capital Fund.
So your friend John.
No, his name, I just used a name that's not
John.
his name.
For now.
Sure. Right.
Went in the conversation, almost flirtatious, using his like.
Not flirtatious, but he was just.
But like, he was just the eye contact or everything was so
he's
intense.
Like, I'm sorry, I need to slide into your DMs or some shit like that. Fuck. And the guy is like, sorry, and he's like, and then he says something in Hebrew, and they connect instantly, and then he takes it somewhere, and then he takes it somewhere, and then suddenly we have his number, and I'm just there like, bro, John.
That's good game, bro. That's actually good game.
हाँ, bro. And so many times, like in so एक बारी पता क्या हुआ? We were pitching for something school campus पे table लगा के. This girl comes, he starts flirting with her. She realizes that she has known him since they were kids and they are like brother sister. But he hasn't met her in very long. He doesn't realize. He doesn't even know they go to the same college. वो उसको hint कर रही है बीच में कि हम एक दूसरे को जानते हैं, हमारा brother sister type दोस्ती है. वो से बात कर रहा है और वो से flirt कर रहा है. She realizes that she knows him. She's trying to like softly signal कि softly भी नहीं, उस पे मतलब कह रही है. वो कब में realize करता है, कब में उस बात को इतने ब्यूटीफुली घुमाता है कि वो दोनों 5 मिनट में हंस रहे हैं और वापस कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं. There is no awkwardness from the sexuality he was trying to bring into that conversation. I was blown. I was like, भाई ये तुम करते कैसे हो? और मतलब जैसे आदमी को रियलाइज होता है ना, मैंने इतना कोई ऑकवर्ड फॉपॉ कर दिया है कि समझ रहा है, हाँ, तो आदमी
वो नहीं, काम ब्रो, काम
उसको पता भी नहीं चला कि ये बात हो गई है,
निकल चुकी है बात पीछे,
बाद में बताया कि ये हुआ है.
ट्रू.
और मैंने कहा अच्छा मैन,
दैट्स गुड गेम मैन, जो बहुत सटल होती है,
बहुत ही
बात निकल चुकी है पीछे, पता भी नहीं चला.
तो लाइक I tell people, your opportunity matrix changes. You are meeting and talking and interacting and are friends and are going up the ladder with people you never have thought. True. That's how important.
और सबसे बड़ी बात है कि what you can expect, what I feel. But तेरे लिए अब I think वो different opinion है. What I feel is what you can expect from learning game. उससे भी तुम wildest beyond expectation चले जाते हो. सीखने के थोड़े टाइम बाद ही अगर तुम एक्शन सही से ले रहे हो तो, एक सही वे में एक्शन ले रहे हो तो. So that's what I think, you know, like that's what learning game gets you. Like मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था यार, making so many connections.
For sure.
And just you know, doing this what I do, just traveling the country and just teaching pickup.
Right.
And even working for Attractive Man for that matter. मेरा जो initial goal था was probably to get a girlfriend.
Sure.
Right. Probably to get out of my bad relationship I had at that time.
Sure.
So it goes beyond your wildest expectations. So
your
be ready for it.
Your opportunity matrix changes.
Opportunity matrix changes completely.
The way you interact with yourself changes because now you know how to talk to yourself too.
True.
And once you know that, then you understand. Oh, ठीक है, मतलब your reality construction changes. Language is the code of reality. And you need to master that. There is no
definitely
other way.
That's an important
There's
part
no
too.
other way.
And I believe you know, conversations are a really important part for pickup. Definitely. That's like not only pickup, it's really good for your life, man. Like your negotiations, as we've spoken about.
Sense, right.
Your business, your friendships, you're maintaining better relationships. So how can you know, the people who want to
just
buy
like,
the course?
If you want that, this is the first time I'm doing a sales pitch. It's artofconversation.in. You can go there, buy the course if you like it. If you don't, just come on my YouTube, follow me on YouTube. You don't need to buy the course. Watch my stuff. That's all.
Yeah.
देखो तो खुलने दो अपने दिमाग का. मजा आएगा. आ जाओ. Come.